Hello, welcome to this quick demonstration of selection using Python. We've got a very basic Python program on the screen in front of us. To start, we've also got a flowchart showing exactly the same process. So we start here. We're going to declare or create a variable name called name. Then we're going to take a user input and we're going to assign the user input to the variable name. So just exactly the same as here, create a variable name, take a user input, assign the input to the variable name. Once that's done, we're going to check this statement. Name is the same as must pain, and it has to be exactly the same, case sensitive and spaces. If that statement is true, then we'll come here to print UR and it will substitute name for whatever has been stored in name. And if it's false, it'll print you are not must paint. So exactly the same. That's the print statement bit that's here, and this one is here. Okay, so let's see that in action. We're going to step through this one line at a time, and we're going to start on the first line. We're going to go to debug. We need to click the console so we can see what's going on. And then we're going to just step in. And I'm going to type in must pain, press the enter key. We can see that's been stored in the variable name. Going to step in again, and the next line will be print UR, and then the name variable where it substitutes that value here. There we go. And if I debug that again, step in, and I can put anything else, and just to show you how case, if I do it with a lowercase, and I step in again, this time it said nope, that's not true, so we're going to do this one, and it outputs you're not must pain.